Now if we're going to factor x squared plus 12x minus 64, again, we're looking for two numbers that have a sum of positive 12 and a product of negative 64. And since our product is negative, one number has to be positive and the other has to be negative. And since the sum is positive, the larger number has to be the positive number. And so if we go through an example, our product is negative. The first number, our smaller number, has to be negative. Our second number, the larger number, has to be positive because the sum is going to be positive. And we'll start off, and I'm going to skip negative 1 because negative 1 plus negative 1 times 64 is equal to positive 63, but that's way too large. So we'll start off with negative 2. Now negative 2 times positive 32 is negative 64, and negative 2 plus 32 is positive 30. So the signs match. Our sum has to be positive and our product has to be negative. So the smaller number has to be our negative and the larger number has to be positive for the sum and the product to work out. So we'll move on. Our next number, next factor of negative 64 is negative 4, and because negative 3 is not a factor of 64, so negative 4 times positive 16 is equal to negative 64, and negative 4 plus 16 is positive 12. And so our two numbers then are negative 4 and positive 16. And so when we bring those into the bracket, then we now have our binomials, so our product, our factored form of our trinomial is x minus 4 times x plus 16, and again, check using FOIL.